Welcome to today's talk, Sunday the 29th of January. Now, I got a surprise when I looked at this. This is a press release from Pfizer, and we're going to be looking at what this says. Now, it's from Pfizer. It was released at 8 p.m. on Friday, so someone must have been working late, a couple hours late out of the office on Friday evening. Strange time to release it. New York. January the 27th, 2023, allegations have been recently made. So allegations apparently have recently been made relating to gain of function and directed evolution research at Pfizer. Direct quote from the website, and the company would like to set the record straight. So that's good. Pfizer are going to set the record straight. Now, unfortunately, they don't refer to the allegations that they're referring to, so we really don't know what they're talking about. They could be talking about anything. All we know is that they say there's allegations. So it could be allegations that stem from a rumour, for example. We really don't know. A rumour that talked about mutating a virus, preemptively developing a vaccine for new variants that have been artificially generated. Such a rumour may contain swearing or casual blasphemy. We don't know because it's not. We're not told. The press release doesn't tell us. This could be being considered for the future within the company, according to a rumour. But as I say, we don't know. Could have come up at a meeting. One possible method could be ongoing deliberate reinfection of monkeys, serial reinfection of monkeys. This is an example of what we would call directed evolution. Analyse the viruses as they mutate and select the viruses that have the desired properties. For example, a virus that has more immune escape, more infectivity, if these are the properties you wanted, increased pathogenicity. So a virus could be selected that has more immune escape, therefore previous vaccines wouldn't work against it, therefore you'd have to have a new virus, which conveniently you might have already on the shelf, just ready to come out because you kind of know what's coming, because you've directed the evolution, and you'd sell a lot of new vaccines. Of course, the immune escape would mean that potentially billions of people around the world who'd had the infection would potentially be reinfected. And if there was increased pathogenicity, that would be terrifying because that would make people sicker. Now, of course, we don't know. This is just a rumour. The allegations may or may not be based on this rumour. So then you could reinfect another lot of monkeys with this new improved for whom virus, and then the evolutionary process goes on. This is basically how we've got all the different sorts of dogs that we have, but that took place over millennia, though, where this takes place over a short period of time. But as I say, we don't know. It may depend on how experiments are working out, indicates that experiments are going on already, but of course we don't know that. Scientific genetic manipulation, specific genetic manipulation to facilitate selective structural mutations to make a virus more potent may not have been admitted to. Because that would be potentially a new pandemic of horrific proportions, potentially. There may have been talk, who knows, there may have been talk about a revolving door with government officials. So we could have people working in industry, making lots of money, then getting government jobs. And now, of course, no one's saying that people in the American or the UK government official capacities would be in any way influenced by huge sums of money. They would remain objective in their government posts, we would assume. Well, of course they would. They're public servants. But the revolving door could have been discussed. Who knows? And it could have been said that this is good for the industry but bad for everyone else in America, but of course we don't know. So is that the allegation that they're talking about? We don't know. They don't specify. So let's stop speculating and get back to what we do know from the press release. The ongoing development of Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine is talked about in the press release. Pfizer has not conducted gain-of-function or directed evolution research. So they're straightening us out, clarifying the position. They have not conducted gain-of-function or directed evolution research. That's what Pfizer tell us. direct from their press release. Working with collaborators, we've conducted research where the original SARS coronavirus 2 virus has been used to express spike protein from new variants of concern. Now, if I've got this wrong, Pfizer can contact me and I will immediately correct it. But it sounds to me like this: we have the original Wuhan virus here, with its spike proteins, of course, that we know about. Now, it sounds like they've been taking this original virus, this original Wuhan virus, and adding spike proteins from a different virus. So in the end, the new virus we have is not the original Wuhan virus. It's not the new one. It's a combination of two organisms, what you might call a Frankenstein virus. I must say that idea of a brand new virus with unpredictable emergent properties terrifies me. But that's only me. I'm a timorous man. But that's what they're definitely admitting to on their website. All the other things were rumours which may or may not, we don't know, because they haven't told us what they're talking about. I mean, they could be talking about two blokes talking in a pub somewhere in Southern Ireland. We don't know. It's just they don't tell us. This work is undertaken once a new variant of concern has been identified by the public health authorities. This research provides a way for us to rapidly assess the ability of an existing vaccine to induce antibodies that neutralise newly identified variants of concern. Okay, direct quote from their paper. In a limited number of cases, when a full virus does not contain any known gain-of-function mutation, such viruses may be engineered to enable the assessment of antiviral activity in cells. Viruses may be engineered. Again, I'm just maybe a weak and timorous man, but that terrifies me. The idea of engineering a virus terrifies me. We know a little bit of what viruses can do. Fact-based information rooted in sound science is vitally important to overcome the COVID-19 pandemic, and Pfizer remains committed to transparency and helping alleviate and devastating burdens of this disease. Okay. Sound science, and maybe things are progressing at the speed of science. You never know. That would be good, wouldn't it? It's vitally important. I would have thought natural immunity is vitally important in overcoming the COVID pandemic, but of course, this is Pfizer. Clever scientists, one would assume. Even if they do get drunk occasionally, or one of them maybe got drunk occasionally once, who knows? It's just a rumour. Anyway, they seem to think they're vitally important. Maybe a little bit of self-importance there, but who's not self-important from time to time. Right, that's the end of the video. I'm going to leave the last completely separate topic now, but this is a scene I just brought this in to add a bit of culture, really. This is a scene from the great bard William Shakespeare himself, from Act 3, Scene 2 of Hamlet, spoken by Queen Gertrude. The lady doth protest too much, methinks. I always find Shakespeare a bit hard to understand, so whatever that means. It sounds nice, doesn't it? The lady doth protest too much, methinks. We'll leave it there, but as we say, it's only a rumour because we don't know what these allegations are about. So thank you for watching. Oh, and if Pfizer wants to clarify what allegations they're talking about, of course, we can always issue corrections and sort things out. But thank you for watching.